Every day, people depend on computers, networks, software, and digital services to complete important tasks. When one of these systems stops working, the natural reaction may be to immediately start changing settings, replacing equipment, or restarting devices. However, effective troubleshooting is not based on guessing. Troubleshooting is a structured process of identifying a problem, determining its cause, applying the safest solution, and confirming that the system is working correctly again. The CompTIA IT Fundamentals Troubleshooting Methodology provides 8 steps that help technicians solve technical problems efficiently, consistently, and responsibly. Let us walk through each step. Step 1. Identify the problem. The first step is to clearly understand what is happening. Before attempting a repair, gather as much useful information as possible. Ask the user when the problem started, what they were doing when it occurred, and whether any recent changes were made. Look for symptoms such as error messages, unusual sounds, warning lights, slow performance, or unexpected behavior. Whenever it is safe to do so, try to reproduce the issue. Replicating the problem can help you understand when it occurs and what conditions may be causing it. You should also examine system logs, diagnostic information, error codes, and hardware indicators. At this stage, the goal is not to fix the problem. The goal is to define it accurately. Step 2. Research the problem. Once the issue has been identified, research similar problems and possible solutions. Begin with trustworthy sources, including vendor documentation, official support pages, technical manuals, internal knowledge bases, and previous support tickets. Online technical communities may also provide helpful information, but recommendations from unofficial sources should be verified before they are applied. Searching for a specific error message or error code can quickly narrow the list of possible causes. Good technicians do not need to memorize every solution. They need to know how to find reliable information and evaluate it carefully. Step 3. Establish a theory of probable cause. Next, develop a logical explanation for the problem. Ask whether the issue is most likely related to hardware, software, the network, security, configuration, or user activity. Consider any recent changes. Was new software installed? Was the operating system updated? Did someone replace a cable, change a password, modify a firewall rule, or install new equipment? Begin with the simplest and most likely explanations. Then rule out possibilities that do not match the evidence. The purpose of this step is to create a reasonable theory that can be tested. Step 4. Test the theory. After forming a theory, test it carefully. A technician may check cables, restart a service, use a known working component, run diagnostic software, examine logs, or temporarily change a setting. Testing should follow a process of elimination. Change one relevant factor at a time and observe the result. When possible, begin with the least disruptive test. For example, imagine that a desktop computer will not power on. There are no lights, no fans, and no response when the power button is pressed. Possible causes could include a bad outlet, a damaged power cable, a failed power supply, or a motherboard problem. The technician tests a different outlet, but nothing changes. A known working power cable is connected, but the computer still does not respond. Finally, the technician tests the system with another compatible power supply, and the computer starts successfully. The theory has now been confirmed: the original power supply was faulty. When a test disproves the theory, do not force the evidence to fit the assumption. Return to the list of possible causes and test another explanation. Step 5. Establish a plan of action.